What's up, and welcome to slmworkfromhome.com. And in today's video, we have a question today from Imani, who asks, can you be registered under two different IBOs? So the answer is no. You can't be registered under two different IBOs. You have to be registered under one, and that's because of your paperwork for sending your money to your account. So you can only be registered to one IBO. Now, if you are looking for an IBO, the best way to check is to look around on YouTube, look around on Facebook. I am an IBO as well, so if you're ready to make that leap and start working from home, you can hit the link below, and I'll give you the information to contact me and to set up working through Arise. Now, Imani says she wants to know, can you work under two different IBOs? So I'm just gonna do a little assuming here that maybe you're already under an IBO and you're looking to switch. So in order to switch to a different IBO, you would have to contact your IBO, let them know that you don't want to be working under them anymore, and they would have to drop you from the back office, and then you'd be able to switch to another IBO. Or if you want to become your own IBO, that would be the process as well. Or if you don't want to be under an IBO at all, you can also register with Arise as a sole proprietor. And those would be the ways that you'd be able to change IBOs. Also, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have a question as well that you'd like me to answer, leave your question below and I'll do my best to respond to you. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.